U.S. Navy awards Bell with $815 million contract for UH-1Y and AH-1Z helicopters support. UH-1Y Venom is a twin-engined four-blade medium-sized utility helicopter. It is designed for multiple missions including command and control, escort, reconnaissance, troop transport, medical evacuation, special operations, attack, search and rescue and close air support. While AH-1Z Viper is a twin-engine four-blade attack helicopter. It incorporates new rotor technology with upgraded military avionics, weapons systems, and electro-optical sensors in an integrated weapons platform. It has improved survivability and can find targets at longer ranges and attack them with precision weapons.